Let's learn logical operators. A logical operator in mathematical statements is a word or combination of words that combines one or more mathematical statements to give a new mathematical statement. And an example of that kind of logical operator is AND. AND can combine two statements. For example, let's say a statement X says, I am happy. Statement Y says, I am healthy. Now we can use AND to combine these two statements together to give I am happy and healthy. So that's an example of a logical operator. But in mathematics, what list of operators do we have? So we have list of logical operators, and their symbols. So we have a logical operator, and we have the symbol. The first one, we have implication, having the symbol as implies, like this. The second one, we have conjunction, having this symbol. The third one, we have disjunction, having the symbol like a V. The fourth one, we have biconditional, and the symbol like this. So these are the basic logical operators we have: implication, conjunction, disjunction, and biconditional. And these are their symbols. Thank you.